Welcome back to Money Talks with Rooster McGill. Today, we're diving into the exciting and sometimes confusing world of cryptocurrency. If you've been curious about cryptocurrency, this is the beginner's guide you've been waiting for. So grab a cup of coffee and let's get started. Okay, here we go. So, first off, what is cryptocurrency? Well, think of it as digital money that only exists online. It's not physical money. You can't hold it in your hands. Unlike dollars or euros, cryptocurrencies are decentralized. That means no government or bank controls them. It's all powered by technology. One of the very first cryptocurrencies was Bitcoin. It was the first and largest cryptocurrency created in 2009. All right, so why are people interested in crypto? Well, people are drawn to crypto for a few key reasons. One is the potential for high returns. Early Bitcoin investors turned a few dollars into millions. But it's not just about profits. Crypto allows fast, low cost international payments and gives you control over your money. So, how do you get started in trading crypto? Well, it's a lot easier than you might think. One, you need to do a little bit of research. This is only the tip of the iceberg, what I'm going over right here. Two, though, is you need to choose a reliable exchange. Crypto is not traded on the Dow or the S&P or the NASDAQ. Crypto exchanges are the following: Coinbase, Kraken, Bitstamp, Uphold, Binance. Those five right there are some of the major ones where you can trade crypto. Now, there are a couple of ETFs that are traded on the major stock exchanges that you can participate in. And those are listed on the whiteboard. COIN, which is Coinbase Global, and IBIT, iShares Bitcoin Trust ETF. Those are traded on the S&P, Dow, and NASDAQ. And so if you already have a brokerage account set up, you can get those and trade those, right now. And I'll go over those on the Thinkorswim charts here in just a second. But anyway, you've got your crypto account set up on one of the exchanges, and you've deposited some money into it. You want to start out small and just to get your feet wet. They have things called hot wallets and cold wallets. You want to understand what they're all about. Hot wallets are convenient, but cold wallets are safer for long-term storage. Hot wallets are used for, say, if you want to park $100 in your hot wallet to start looking for a trade, and then park $500 in your cold wallet just to sit there until you find something you want to do later down the road. Just think of it like that. So, is crypto right for you? Well, crypto isn't going to be for everyone, and that's okay. If you're someone who likes taking calculated risks and learning new technology, it might be a good fit. Just remember, crypto should only be a small part of a diversified portfolio. Don't bet the farm on it. All right, so let's look at the charts for coin. You can see it closed today at 296.20. You can see the high was back on somewhere around a few days ago was 341.75. The chart you're looking at right here is the 1 year chart. The yellow line that you see right here is the 200-day moving average, and the gray lines here, and here represent the Bollinger Bands. And you can see it's backed off the top Bollinger Band a little bit, and it's coming down towards the middle Bollinger Band. I can't tell if it's going to bounce off the middle one and go back up, or if it's going to keep on going down to the lower Bollinger Band. But as you can see, this right here, somewhere right after the election, November 7th, is when this thing started going up, because everybody feels like the Trump administration is going to have favorable policies for cryptocurrencies. So this is something to consider. The momentum is kind of high. The RSI is still not overbought yet. And so this is a possibility for you. All right, and then next we have the COIN trading tab up. And these, again, vertical spreads. COIN was trading at 296.20 today. So we're going to go in here and look at the 280 to 290 vertical spread. We're looking to sell that. So we're going to click on that. Go over here, and we're going to analyze this trade. So looks like here come January 18th, all things being the same. If it stays up in this area right here, you can make $490. If it falls back, you can lose $510. Break-even point is right here, somewhere around 284.66. So if you wanted to put this trade on, it looked like it could be turn out to be pretty decent for you. Like I said, if it's trading around 290, what was it? What did I say it was? Trading around 296. So let's see, 296, somewhere around in here. So if it goes up, you're good. If it goes down, you better be careful. You might have to put some stops on it. But anyway, that's that case right there. So that's a couple of things on the Thinkorswim platform, how to use it, how to use your options, if that's the kind of thing you're interested in. Like I said, I kind of sell vertical spreads a lot myself. I like them, and they have a pretty good win rate most of the time. So something for you to consider. Anyway, hope you got something out of this. If you did, give me a like and subscribe. Tell your friends about it. And we'll talk to you real soon.